I'm going to spare you that silly unboxing bit of a review that you sometimes get. On Black Friday, I wandered into Boots, and there were some well-named branded things about. One of the things I was interested in was the water jet flossers that they had in Boots. Now, on Black Friday, some of these were reduced from £200 down to £100. That's a 50% saving of them for a water jet flosser. Well, you know what? Your teeth are important to you, and if £100 first of all encourages you to do the cleaning, but also helps you get them cleaner, particularly the bits in between your teeth, then that's a good thing, isn't it? Right, so wandering through Lidl, came across this at £20. So there we go. Right, not had it long. What it has is a charging base. Let's put the box away. You don't need to see the box, do you? You don't see the actual thing. It's got a charging base, so there's a coil in there to do the charging. No wires on the thing at all. You sit it on there and it will charge up. You put water into the bottom of it through a hole like that. You attach the tip, and there are two tips supplied with it. That bit is the tip. It's just a tube which you can remove, so that if you've got two people in the house using it, you can have a tip each with a different colour band. And then there on the end, you might possibly just be able to see the tiny hole for the jet. Well, what's my impression? I could show you it firing a jet of water out into the sink. And I'm sure there's advantages and disadvantages of all water jet flossers, but certainly it's got basically three settings: soft, normal and jet mode. Jet mode perhaps just fires a continuous jet. It starts up in jet mode. There isn't any water in it now. I don't know how bad it is to. So you need to switch it on. No, it started in soft mode, so I left it in soft mode last. So it turned on and came into soft mode. So that's the on-off button. You press the mode button then to move up into normal and then jet. These two modes here are pulsed modes. So it pulses water out, fires pulses of water, and that's a jet mode. The pressure exerted at the tip when it's firing out is certainly adequate to blast a piece of food from between your teeth. So I've tried that. I think clinically it would be hard for any more expensive device to fire out a more powerful jet of water, because it does say in the instructions a warning that if you use it on the jet mode and you have any problem with the gums, you're likely to experience bleeding of the gums. So you recommend it to start on soft mode until you've actually strengthened your gums quite considerably. But the point is, it does what it says on the tin. It fires a fine jet of water which you can direct between your teeth to blast food particles and other things out from between your teeth without having to. So it's a flossing device, and it certainly works for me. I was a little bit dubious, thinking that £20 it would be an incredibly weak, pathetic, nominal little bit of water flow, but it certainly isn't. And on the high level, it empties the water tank within half a minute or so, because it's firing out so much water. And the jets are fine, the jets are powerful, and my understanding, I'm not a dental expert, is that this will do the job. And although I can't compare it with the £200 devices, there's such a difference in price. I would say if you're thinking of getting one, certainly try the Lidl one. Currently in this week, whatever week this is, likely to reappear because Lidl will do that once they've sold out this week. So that's my view of this.